Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Excel Sessions, and today we will learn how to use string functions and date functions to change the dates mentioned in any format. Now in this sheet I have dates in two different formats which is not recognized by Excel as date. Now if you select the date and press Ctrl 1 and select date in category and select any type and press OK, the text in cell A2 will not change in the date format. Now in such scenarios, we shall use date and string function together to change the text in date format. Type is equal to date, open bracket. Date function takes three parameters. The first parameter is year. In cell A2, the year is last four digits. So type write, open bracket, select cell A2, comma 4, closing bracket, comma. The next parameter is month, which is two digits after first dot in cell A2. So type mid, open bracket, select A2, comma. Starting position is 4, comma 2, closing bracket, comma. The third parameter is the day, which is first two characters in cell A2. So type left, open bracket, select this cell, comma 2, closing bracket for left, closing bracket for date function, and press enter. B2 cell is showing the required date format. If we copy the formula in the below cell B3, we will get the required date format. Now to get the date difference of similar formats, we can use days formula. Column A and B dates are available in different format which is not recognized by the Excel. So type equals to days, open bracket. Now the first parameter is the end date which is in column B. Second parameter is the start date which is in column A. So first we will convert both dates into the date format using the date function as we did in the previous example. So using date for year, right, open bracket, select the cell, comma 4, comma for month, use mid function, starting from fourth, two characters, comma left for days, again select the cell and first two character for days, closing bracket for left, closing bracket for date function, comma. Now similarly we will use date function for start date also. So date, comma, right, open bracket, select the start date, comma 4. For month, use mid function, text, comma 4, comma 2, comma. For day, we'll use left, comma, select the text, comma 2, closing bracket for left, closing bracket for second date, closing bracket for days function, and press enter. Result is the 413 days between two dates. So in this video we have learned how to use string functions inside the date function to convert the dates from text format to date format. If you like the content, press thumbs up and share with your friends and colleagues. Subscribe the channel and press bell icon to get the notification. Share your feedback, queries and suggestion in comment section. Thanks for watching.